Okay, good afternoon, good morning. No, I start again. Hi, I'm William Beckers from FACE, Belgium, and we are here on the PLASA to demonstrate our product which we distribute in Europe. It's the Triad Orbit stand system. Triad Orbit is American, and the name is coming from Triad, everything which is down on Earth, and Orbit, everything which goes in orbit. Like we have the boom and we have the double boom. This goes to this goes to orbit, and that's why the name is Triad Orbit. So you know a little bit the history. It's American design, and it's quite incredible to see it because we have T1, we have T2, we show you later on, and we have T3, which makes it always bigger and bigger. But it's a unique system to put your micro stand into a studio, for example. Because first of all, you can move the legs one by one in a certain position. So this means that everybody knows the era where the drummers came with 12 tom-toms and 27 cymbals, and it was very difficult for the engineer to put his microphones right in place on the drum kit because there were too many stands around that drum kit. If you ask a drummer to replace something, he's not in his comfort zone, so this was always a little bit of a discussion to have it on the right place. With this type of stand, you can put exactly your microphone where you want. It starts with the position of the stand, and after that on the stand you can mount some orbits, some boom stands. I have here for you the 01, and the 01 because of orbit in the air and because of one arm. We have also on this part we have also 02, like two legs on the boom. Now, to show you how it works, we have a system over here with a pin. Here is the pin and two little pins near to the big one. It's hexagonal and it fits in this little place, in this little hole. If you put it right away on and you let it go by its own, it's in. That's it. You can put it on, it stays. Even with the weight, the whole thing is at the moment. Once you have this 01 putting on the stand, you can, with this orbit stand, put your boom stand in every position you want. You can go 360 degrees everywhere, so you can absolutely fix the spot where you have to be. Once you have the spot, you put it on, and you have exactly the same swivel that we use in the mic adapter than as we use in this 01, which means that again this hexagonal pin goes into the system, and you do again the 360 degrees with your microphone. So it's very important is that you, with this system, you can precisely mic out what you need. If you go to the snare drum, for example, you can put exactly where the microphone, where the snare sounds best. So that's what concerning T1 with the boom. We talked about T1, we got T2 later on with a special camera position on it, and we have T3. T3 is meant to be the strong one, the good one, down to earth, where you can put a lot of accessories on it. On this T3 we put on the newest accessory we have, it's the O2X. The O2X has the possibility to put two different legs, two different dimensions of legs on it. You have the long one and you have the short one. If you order the O2X, you receive in the same box the 2 short ones and the 2 long ones, and I will show you in a second why. Always the same system, always the pin and the 2 gliding pins to put in the little holes of your, let's say, female holder. So we put it on like this, put the other one like this, and you can directly see what an advantage it gives. If you, for example, take here a microphone on, you can put here another microphone. If you want to bottom and top the snare, for example, you put this system on a T1, lower to the ground, and you can perfectly come in to put bottom, top and bottom. So again, here we have a lot of possibilities in putting the thing. You can go high, you can go around, and you have to imagine that there is a microphone now on it. Maybe I put some on so you can see what it surely does. So I want to show you the pièce de résistance, the big thing from Triad Orbit. You can make decatry with it. You can have a wonderful stereo image with the left, center and the right. And these M1, M2 micro stands, these are stands normally to hang. You can put them in the direction you want, it stays. Okay, I spoke to you about the T2 in another composition. It's a 3-leg stand, exactly the same as the other one, but we discover that when we put a special nut between the mic holder and the camera, for example, we can also use it as a camera stand. And which makes it quite crazy is that you can go in every position you want with your camera, and this on a very normal stand. If you do this with a special, if you want to do this with a real camera stand, you need a very big, heavy one. It's a very nice solution for people to take pictures.